Hello everyone. So I will show you right now how to use some really cool filters and lenses in Google Meet. For that you will need an application called Snap Camera. So it's a free app and you can download it for free for Mac OS or for Windows 10. It's not available on mobile devices, so it's only like this top application from Snapchat, developed by Snapchat, where you can just access all the marketplace of really nice advanced filters and lenses created by users, and it's much like cooler experience if you like filters and if you really want to impress your colleagues or friends. So just download Snap Camera, launch it, and then start a meeting in Google Meet. And what you need to do is just to change your camera from your default webcam or default camera to Snap Camera. I will show you how to do that. So there you have it. For example, I just have my filter. So let's just join the meeting. And then, okay. Here I can just go to settings and change my video source, my camera. So by default it's like FaceTime HD camera. I can just change it to Snap Camera, and then the filter which is in Snap Camera will be enabled. And then when I just change the filter here, it will be reflected in Google Meet. So there you have it, and then you just have like a camera and super cool filter in Google Meet. There are a lot of like meme filters here. You can, for example, enable like potato filter. It was Zoom meme. Yeah, and then you can just present like that. So yeah, if you want to prank your friends or colleagues. So that's how you enable that. So yeah, it also works with Zoom. It's supposed to work with Microsoft Teams. Not sure, like for me it didn't work with Microsoft Teams, also with Skype and all other tools. Hope that's helpful.